In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a Webflow subscription. Now, it's important to start by noting that Webflow does not offer a traditional pause option for subscriptions. However, we can guide you through a workaround to effectively manage your subscription. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Webflow's login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. This will bring you straight to your Webflow dashboard, which is your main hub for managing projects and subscriptions. Once you've logged in and you're on your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side or the top navigation menu for the Billing section. It's typically situated under Need Plans. Click on this to proceed to your billing and subscription management area. This is where you'll find all the details related to your current subscription plans. Now, in the billing section, you're going to look for the option to either cancel subscription, cancel plan, or cancel site plan. Depending on whether you have a paid plan or are on a free plan, this option may not be visible. Remember, if you're on a free plan, this step might not be relevant as you can always upgrade or downgrade without any cost implications. Once you locate the cancellation option, click on it. Webflow might prompt you to confirm your choice to ensure that cancellation is really what you intend to do. They might even ask you for feedback regarding why you're opting out of the service. Be prepared to provide this information. It could include reasons like cost factors, temporary inactivity with projects, or other personal preferences. After you've filled out the necessary feedback, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. Following the confirmation, Webflow will typically send an email to verify the cancellation. Check your inbox for this confirmation email to ensure the process is completed and record-keeping. Finally, it's worth noting that Webflow automatically creates backups of your projects. This is particularly useful if you plan to come back to Webflow at a later date. Look for the automatically created backups under your project settings. You'll have the option to choose which version you'd like to restore should you decide to reactivate your plan. Simply click on Restore and follow the prompts to bring your work back to its desired state. And there you have it. By canceling your subscription and utilizing backups, you can effectively pause your involvement with Webflow until you're ready to jump back in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Webflow account more effectively.